F-16 combined with the Swedish, what is it, A-50, I believe, the AWACS, shooting down an S-35. It's great news. But what I particularly like is this very nice report. Norway planned to deliver twice as many F-16s to Ukraine as previously announced. This is what I want to hear from every country. Most of the time it's, they're only able to deliver half or 25%. By the way, thank you so much, Johnny. You don't know how much I appreciate that right now. Let's just contrast this. Now that I'm thinking about it, contrast this with U.S. diverts Ukraine. What was it? Defense Ukraine to Israel. 20,000 anti-drone missiles meant for Ukraine went to Israel. Why? Well, okay, so it seems it's obvious, right? And I remarked about this earlier today. Pete Hegseth was in an interview, and he in an interview with Congress, and he was asked, what can we do to help Ukraine win? Here we go. And Hegseth said, we would need to clarify what win means. This president is committed to peace. So peace does not include anything beneficial for Ukraine, in point of fact. Peace just means, stop the fighting